Hi guys, I am Akansha Sehgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. If you are someone who loves crafts and want to know more about a crafting business, then make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. So in today's video I am going to share with you a quick scrapbook layout, and it's the fall season, so I was thinking that why not create a fall themed layout. And yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. So first things first, as I told you guys that I'll be removing these from here and storing them somewhere else, and let's see if we can use these pages. For this page I'll work on some other layout so that this gets covered up. I'll use this page only and I'll see what we'll do on these two pages. So we'll be working on this page. So I had some idea in my mind, so let's see how it goes. So first I grabbed my sheet of paper and I marked with my pencil to trim down the sheet of paper according to the size of my booklet. The sheet of paper that I chose had a reddish brown color to it with some golder glitter pattern. Then I am just tearing down the sheet from the middle because I wanted to paste it on the top and bottom edge of the sheet that I am using for the layout. I took my photo to see that whether it is fitting between the top and bottom strips, and I trimmed down the strips accordingly. Then I again took out my paper trimmer and trimmed the photo. Now I went ahead and pasted my strips of paper on the top and bottom edge, and then took my watercolors. I went with the green color and created a watercolor background on the white base. I tried to keep the watercolor background as light as possible. Then I went ahead and splattered some of the watercolor like so. And once I was happy with the design, I left it aside to dry. While it was drying, I created a photo mat for my photo with the same sheet of paper that I used on the top and bottom edge. First, I thought of pasting the photo straight onto the photo mat, but when I was pasting it, I decided that I will put it a bit diagonally. I pasted it in a little tilted manner so that it gives a little dimension to the photo and the photo mat. Then I just went ahead and trimmed off the photo mat as well. I trimmed off the excess of the cardstock. Now once my paint was dry, I grabbed a piece of bubble wrap and took a copper acrylic paint and stamped it onto the background. I did this to give an extra dimension to the overall layout. Then I placed my photo where I wanted it to be and grabbed my ephemera folder, and now I'm just going through the ephemera and seeing what all embellishments I would like to put on this layout. I mostly went with the colors orange, red and green. I really liked this flower cutout. It was from a coupon and I cut this out and kept it in my ephemera holder, and I am just cutting that out right now. The colors of this flower went very nicely with the complete layout. I also pulled out my sentiment basket, and then I took out the letters of the word fall to place onto my layout. I replaced the green A with a red one. And then I went ahead and placed the letters onto the layout and then arranged the other elements. I am just going through my embellishment stash and seeing what works best with the layout. And once I was happy with everything I pasted all the embellishments on the layout. So this is how the completed layout looks like. I added some flowers here and I added some crystals also in the colors of yellow and red. Then the letters that I chose had a lot of brown cream tone to it, so I used the same copper paint as well so that it fits with the whole layout a bit more. And yes, this is the completed layout. I might add some letters here or here. And yes, I added a green butterfly here to match it with the whole green background here. And yes, this is the completed layout. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you super soon in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.